Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the XRP healthcare token. Ticker symbol is XRPH. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing yesterday. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The XRPH token. It says this is an innovative, scalable solutions company utilizing Web3 technology to revolutionize the way people access and afford healthcare services globally. So this token just got listed yesterday, August 16th, on a central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XRPH, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have all sorts of socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page there so you guys can easily find it at XRP Healthcare on Twitter. They have a LinkedIn, Discord, Medium articles. They have a Telegram at XRP Healthcare, real easy to find. They even have a TikTok. Their official webpage is xrphealthcare.com. They also have a full white paper. On their Twitter, you can find a full link tree too that's going to have all these links. And believe it or not, this token is on the XRP blockchain as well. You can also check out their XRP scan is available. And yeah, it says there is, let's see here, incoming. All right, forget that. Let's skip on to the next thing here. So they have the blue verified check mark on Twitter, 33,900 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on their socials there. Yeah, their link tree has all the links on there as well. Even a CoinMarketCap link. You could check them out on CoinMarketCap. So lots of cool links there. And they have, let's see here, their webpage. There's even more links on their webpage as well that'll take you all over the place. Now, I think most of the information is going to be on their pitch deck here. If you go to xrphealthcare.com/xrph-deck.pdf. You're going to find 32 pages of information on there, all the stuff you need. So it says the first pharma and healthcare platform to be built on the XRP ledger. XRP Healthcare is an innovative, scalable solutions company utilizing Web3 technology to revolutionize the way people access and afford healthcare services globally. XRPH are focused on improving the lives of individuals and families within the ethos of providing a decentralized marketplace for pharma and healthcare services, faster payment transactions worldwide via our mobile app, help inhabitants and far-emerging countries access standard healthcare via faster payments. So they go over the worldwide pharma healthcare market. We don't need to go over that, but they have a decentralized marketplace where it says XRP Healthcare will provide users with a decentralized platform that exists outside of centralized banking systems, allowing for more transparent and secure transactions. We've created our own native cryptocurrency, the XRPH token, which will be utilized for users of our decentralized marketplace. to buy an ever-expanding range of pharmaceuticals, healthcare products, and services covering conventional as well as alternative medicines such as blood-type nutrition, CBD oils, tinctures, and isolates, including traditional and non-traditional medication for all types of ailments. The first partnership to be listed on the Xrph decentralized marketplace is Xrph, which is the first and only pharmacy in America selling medications at a cost price, saving its consumers thousands of dollars every year. This partnership will enable the integration of Xrph's pharmaceutical store into the Xrph Web3 decentralized marketplace. To help with the ongoing demand of our decentralized marketplace, we will continue to partner with various health-focused organizations and pharmaceutical companies, enabling them to benefit from the unique features and functionality of our platform. So they have delivery and tracking also. They're going to partner with courier companies to help the ongoing demand of their decentralized marketplace, like FedEx or UPS Healthcare, things like that. So there's going to be an app you'll be able to use for that. So the Xrph mobile app will enable swift, low-cost, dependable transactions anywhere in the world, be a way of sending funds and setting up distribution of medications to family and friends, simplify and create fast payment transactions between market participants in the pharma and healthcare industry, and allow users to send and receive funds in seconds outside of the banking system. So you can go over all of their other white paper information on there. They have a team section on here. It says this token is listed on 3 different central exchanges, Lbank, Bitmart, and Bitrue. Now, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. If you've never used Bitrue before, it's a really good central exchange, so check that one out. You can get the Xrph token on there as well. Now, how this token is split up, basically 33% goes to exchanges, 20% ecosystem incentives, 17.6% liquidity, 15% team, 10% token sale, 4.4% partnerships, and a total supply of 100 million tokens that will never increase. And that is about it. You can check out all the other information on their webpage and their white paper. Go over to xrphealthcare.com. You can find this token listed on Bitrue, Lbank, and Bitmart. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Bitrue one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Xrph token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.